As a mother, after how long would you stop after searching for your missing son? Kutwa, this mother searched for her missing son for over 25 years. Everyone told her to move on. Amapolisa athi he ran away. But yena, as a mom, she never stopped believing in Tobanba there is something wrong. Then one ordinary day, a visit to a science museum exhibition ehamba nomzukulwana wakhe led to a discovery that would change everything. What she saw left her completely shocked and froze right there. Her son was at the museum, used as a medical specimen. When he went missing, he was 19 years old. Kuthiwa ke waphuma esithi we are a library and he'll be back before midnight. But ke uGuy never came back. Instead, 3 days later, his car was found and everything in it eyakhe yafumaneka, the keys, the books, the cell phone. But the most important thing eyayidingeka yayinguye ayingazange afumaneke. For 25 years, Diana Michelle kept her son's room exactly as he left it, Umakas. A 19-year-old college freshman vanished from Atlanta in 1999. Police said he ran away. Diana knew he had not. She plastered posters, hired investigators, and prayed for a quarter of a century, never giving up. Then in 2024, she took her granddaughter to an educational science exhibition. Inside, among the displays, she felt a cold, impossible recognition. A display of an athlete poised in mid-jump had surgical pins in its ankle. It had a healed fracture in its leg. It had a rare spinal abnormality. It had a gold crown on its tooth. It was Marcus. For years, her son had been a specimen. This is the story of a mother's unshakable intuition. A 25-year search and the horrifying discovery that blew the lid off a dark industry. Kuthiwa ke sana, the things that she noticed on that specimen are the things unyana wakhe ebenazo, like he was tall and athletic, and also he had a rare spinal injury esemncinci. He also had a gold crown kwayena. So those are the things that she noticed. And man, as a mom, you will know. You will know. Angeke ungamazi umntana wakho noba bangamhlubula iskini, bamthintini, bamenze a medical specimen, bamenze iskeleton. You will know. You will know. And ke kuthiwa that side USA, this is very common. They like kidnapping these tall, athletic-looking young men, and they use them for all kinds of crazy and sick things. Uyabona mos e-shop kuba khona abanodoli bafike benxetyiswe impahla. Kuthiwa ke sana, the luxury stores esisithanda ii-bags zazo, impahla zazo, kuthiwa most of the time bona abasebenzisi the dolls. They use this. There's a dark market that provides this for them. And there was also this other post that I saw, a video of these other ladies ababe visited this luxury store, and then uthi xa bebona la nodoli unxityiswa impahla babona why these dolls look so real, and wathi omnye ebengathi uyaqhwanyaza. And in another instant, in another country, a person wabona la nodoli, and then wabona ukuthi this doll looks so human, it looks so alive, and wamfanisa ne brother yakhe that went missing a while ago. So kuthiwa sana, that side, it's very popular, especially with these luxury brands, honey. It's crazy.